Hi, I'm debater A. My name is Haley Bays, and the species that I'm defending today is the Orthoma ferruginus, and the common English name of this is the roseate skimmer. The topic of debate is which is a better predator between the roseate skimmer and the robber fly. My opening statement is the roseate skimmer is known as the dragonfly and is found in the insect order of Ordina. This is an order of insects that contains dragonflies and damselflies. This order contains over 50,000 species worldwide, ranging from 20 to 135 millimeters in length. Roseate skimmers are found across North, South, and Central America, and as well as in Mexico. It is easy to distinguish these roseates from other dragonflies because of their color. The males are typically pinkish, purple, or rose-colored abdomens, and the females are less colorful with more brown and orange abdomen as well, with a light-colored stripe down their backs. Their wings are mainly clear with a brown or black tip around the edges. These insects are aerial predators, eating mostly other insects such as fruit flies and mosquitoes. They also can hunt insects such as tadpoles and small fish underwater using gills in their rectum for breathing. Eaten by insect-eating birds, frogs, fish, and large spiders. Roseate skimmers are considered to be in the Lilidae family, also known as skimmers, which is considered the largest dragonfly family in the world. These insects are extremely adaptable to new habitats, and their life cycle begins when the females lay their eggs in or near water. The eggs then later hatch into nymphs, which is how most of the dragonfly's life is spent. The larval stage of the large dragonflies may last as long as 5 years. When the larva is ready to metamorphose into an adult, it climbs up a reed or another high plant, and the exposure to the air causes the larva to begin breathing. It crawls out of its old larva skin, pumps its wings, and flies to feed. As far as unique characteristics go, they have plenty. They have 2 sets of wings instead of 1, meaning wings. And being that they are dragonflies, they hold their wings out to the sides, making this easy for them to fly. They also have large compound eyes, and in fact, they have 3 eyes. They have 2, 1 on each side and 1 in the front, as well as chewing mouth parts, which makes it easy to bite and chew their prey. They also have certain behaviors such as hunting and reproducing in mid-air. They also use their legs for perching and capturing, not for walking. Roseate skimmers fly during midday when some other species are not flying. They are capable of sperm displacement, meaning that when a male initiates copulation, another male can come in, sweep out that male's sperm, and replace it with their sperm. Males use their abdomens to ward off intruding males by bending the tip of their rear downwards. Their primary benefit to us and to other animals is that they help reduce pest species such as mosquitoes and... Okay, now for the rebuttal. I am doing this myself, so I kind of came up with some questions or topics that debater B might ask, and I also have answers for those as well. Debater B might mention how the robber fly is a better predator because of its ability to mimic the look of a bumblebee, which is no threat to other insects, making it easier for them to get close to their prey. My answer in rebuttal for debater B would then be that although the robber fly does have that advantage of mimicry, the roseate skimmer has twice the amount of wings, which are larger, and this makes the insect a stronger flyer, which can come in handy when hunting for prey. Also does not have the visual advantage that a roseate skimmer has because of their 3 large eyes, which gives them their incredible eyesight. Now, for rebuttal 2, debater B might add that the robber fly is a better predator due to the fact that when they catch their prey, they inject a saliva, making their prey paralyzed. Now, my answer in rebuttal for that is even though they have a respectable tactic for capturing and keeping their prey, they are limited because they have to stay in a particular habitat, as to where the roseate skimmers can change habitats and environments, making their prey availability larger and more accessible to find and hunt. As well, for my closing statement, roseate skimmers are the better predator because they have been keen eyesight and incredible speed that allows them to spot and act on their prey in a fast manner. The roseate skimmer can come off very intimidating to prey because of their aggressive behavior, size, and their color. Another key reason why these insects are better predators to the robber flies, as mentioned before, is because they can adapt to different environments. All right, that's all I have. Thanks and gig 'em.